Let's give this hair some body to love. Charot. One of my Sephora sale Budol. Ganda. I've been using it the past few days. Yung ginagawa ko kay Kaya. Ngayon ko pa lang siya gagawin talaga sa sarili ko. Tagal na yung pinag-isipan ni ate if bibili kami because mixed reviews online. Pero mas madami yung good reviews. So far, bet na bet namin. Tapos nung binibili ko yung akin sa Sephora, biglang lumapit sa akin yung isang SA, sabi niya, "Can I just say, that is the best tool ever." And it's so easy to use. Eh, gabi kami naliligo, di ba? Kaya, pag morning yung mga buhok namin na tig to 200 pieces, super walang buhay and flat na flat. Kaya it's just the perfect tool for us kasi dry na yung hair and then lalagyan mo na lang ng buhay. So I just do in, out, ganyan para may body. I think yung mga bad reviews are the ones with yung mga thick hair. Yung mga may tigda 10 million pieces of hair. Kasi medyo mahirap siya sa makapal yung buhok. Kasi si Kenz makapal yung buhok niya. And walang ginagawa sa buhok ni Kenz nung tinry ko. Kaya effective naman. You see that? Justin, show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. Wanna party like it's 30-12 tonight. Kita mo yun, may body na agad. And let's do my bangs na 30 pieces. Boobs! I love this thing. Oh my god, is that another white hair? Hindi talaga may kakaila ang katutahan. It literally does what it says. It's giving body. Diba? May body na siya. Hindi na siya yung boring hair that I had kanina. Tapos may shine. Take note, wala ako nilagay na kahit anong product pa. Ayaw ko tuloy tumigil kasi ang saya niyang gamitin. Come pick up your phone. Okay, I think I'm done. This is the medium, by the way. Ang una ko sanang gustong bilhin is yung pinakamaliit, 27mm. So I want it because it's small, it's tiny, and parang perfect siyang pang travel. Kasi kapag sa Pilipinas, di naman ako nagsistyle ng hair. But then, my ate decided, mas maganda yung medium. So buti na lang I listened to my ate because the medium is perfect for our hair length. I'm so happy I got it. Plus, it's 110 to 240 volts. So, pwedeng-pwede siya sa Philippines. So there. I'll do my makeup sa next video.